how to get ionized water wherever you are. Therefore you need, for example, the K8 from ENAGIC. This is the best ionizer, water ionizer on the market. It is certified by the FDA, WQA, Water Quality Association, has a medical certificate also. So this is the best model you can buy on the market. And the thing is that you can attach it wherever you are. So on any faucet, in any hotel worldwide, you can apply it. And so you can not just filter your water, you can ionize your water, because ionization is bringing you multiple advantages. By clicking here on the touch display, you have different types of water to choose from. On the right side, you have the different drinking waters with ionization level between pH 8.5 to 9.5. So this is what you want to drink, or what you're using for cooking, making tea, cold tea infusions, for example. So this is for drinking. And on the left side, you have the different functional waters, and the so-called beauty water. This is for hair and skin. It is really fantastic. If you spray that on your skin, it feels like creamed. And also on the hair, you don't have dry hair, don't have dry skin. This is really amazing. And all the chlorine is also filtered out. The pH level 2.5 is a very acidic water. You use this to disinfect, or if you have a mosquito bite, the aching will go away very, very fast. And by pouring out of the machine the 2.5 water from the lower hose, at the same time on the upper hose there's a pH level 11.5, which is very alkaline water, and this is good for emulgating oil, washing of pesticides, of vegetables, and if you have, for example, allergies and your eyes and nose is reacting, you spray it in your skin and your aching is gone. So this is really, really fantastic for multiple purposes. And pouring out water off the machine is so simple. You have here this connector, so you open the cold water tap like this. Then the water flows into the pre-filter. Here we have an ALP filter installed, a very good one here for Thailand. And then it's going into the machine through the active chloral filter, through the electrolytic cell with 8 titanium plated plates, and then you have here the drinking water and here the acidic water, and you can see that you have hydrogen rich water by looking at this water. So you see all these little bubbles inside, they will disappear after a minute. This is the pure hydrogen, and it is like drinking a beer. The fresher the better. Cheers.